He was a French lawyer and statesman who was one of the best known and most influential figures of the French Revolution. As a member of the Constituent Assembly and the Jacobin Club, he campaigned for universal manhood suffrage and the abolition both of celibacy for the clergy, and slavery. Known as the First World War or the Great War, was a global war that lasted from July 28, 1914 to November 11, 1918. Contemporaneously described as the war to end all wars, it led to the mobilization of more than 70 million military personnel, including 60 million Europeans, making it one of the largest wars in history. It is also one of the deadliest conflicts in history, with an estimated 9 million combatant deaths and 13 million civilian deaths as a direct result of the war, while resulting genocides and the related 1918 influenza pandemic caused another 17 to 100 million deaths worldwide. Hit the region around Tangshan, Hebei, People's Republic of China at 3:42 in the morning. In minutes, 85% of the buildings in Tangshan collapsed or were unusable, all services failed, and most of the highway and railway bridges collapsed or were seriously damaged. At least 242,000 people died, making this the third, or possibly second, deadliest earthquake in recorded history. Known for his paintings such as Nude Descending a Staircase, Number 2, Fountain and the Bride stripped bare by her bachelors, even, whose work is associated with Cubism, Dada, and conceptual art. He was careful about his use of the term Dada and was not directly associated with Dada groups.